All right, so let's go ahead and accomplish the two primary tasks of first, coordinating the aesthetic of our spreadsheet so that they all look the exact same, and then secondarily updating all of the data so that we can have the sales as driven by quantities of production per channel per quarter. So let's start off with our assumptions page. I would like you to start working on the alignment of this page so that its aesthetic is exactly the same as mine through here right now. We don't need to worry about depreciation, interest, and tax quite yet. If you're ahead of everyone else and you want to add that bottom part in there, that will be fine later. But for now, I want you to focus on getting these things to look as follows. Notice I have income statement all caps bolded. Revenues, mixed case bold. Prices is just bold italics, as will be your descriptors there. The prices that drive our revenues on the income statement for each of the three models then, we keyed in the other day as being values driven off of the adjustment that we were making to the model's online base price, so that the $77,000 that we plan on charging in North America for model number 1 is equal to a 10% increase over our base online price. Then, in order to be able to get these cells online, where is the other one? Here is what I want you to be able to do. The basic thing you'll have to find is I did use a lot of merge and center. So if you type online and then you highlight multiple cells as I've done now, and then you are to go to the home, merge and center, there's something right here called merge and center. That takes the two different cells, crunches them into one, but if you add on then this one, middle align will allow you to get your online box to look just like mine does over here. To that then, I added coloration. And the coloration I used, I tried to stay all within the same relative top solid color palette. So if we look over here and I click my drop down for my different colors, the color I used for this first one, the online, is Gold Accent 4. For North America, I used the blue one on the top, Blue Accent 5. Europe, I used the green one across the top, Green Accent 6. And for Asia, I used the orangey one on the top, Orange Accent 2. Within the local, I went ahead and colored that in gray, this one right here, white background, marker 25%. It's middle, far left. In order then to get coordination between online here and online down here then, this is as simple as you can select the tab, right mouse click on the tab. From the tab, there's an option for tab color. And then you simply use the exact same color scheme that I had used before with the orange or the gold, the blue, the green, and the orange all coming off the top. The last thing you'll notice then is in the top left corner of every one of my spreadsheets, I have the exact same box in the exact same time, space and place with the exact same colors with it too, so that you have triple coordination between assumptions orange, online tab color, orange, and then merged cells A1 through B2 that are merged, centered, middle aligned. The last thing that I need you to do, and you can cross-reference the file that I distributed over the weekend, is notice we had discussed in our notes that we would only sell 2 models in North America. So make sure your data coincides with mine, that we are only going to sell models 2 and 3 in North America. In Europe, we discussed we were going to sell all 3 different models at those quantities per channel per quarter. And in Asia, we determined that we would only sell 1 model, the very fancy one, at a very increased cost. So your responsibility right now is to make your spreadsheet look just like mine. Stop, pause, save, stop recording.